This is the 2018 Honda CR-V EXL. It is equipped with fog lights. And you have LED daytime running lights. You will have memory settings for your seats, which include lumbar support, you'll have steering wheel controls. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. You'll be able to pair your phone in. You'll also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, Bluetooth for your audio, dual climate control, heated seats in the front, Econ mode, electronic parking brake and brake hold, power port, additional USB and power ports in the glove box here. All-weather floor mats in the back, as well as the front and in the cargo area in the trunk. A capless fuel filler. Power lift gate with a backup camera. And a spare tire. This is the 2018 Honda CR-V EXL.